Yan ha. Sa mga naghahanap ng mini farm lot. Yan, Along Provincial Highway. Ito going to Chaong Town proper, Maharlika Highway ng Chaong. Ito going to Laia, San Juan, Batangas. Yan. Along Provincial Highway. Ito yung road nya. Yan guys, napakalawak ng road. Yan magmula dito hanggang dito 8 meters kasya sa lubungan. Yan pakalawak ng road niyan, flatland. Yan Along Provincial Highway. May mga dumadaan ditong truck. Yan Along Provincial Highway siya alam mo mga dumadaan truck dito. Ganda, flatland, accessible sa lahat. Ito widening to, commercial lot na to. Pag na widening